Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy XRP on Bitget. Alright, so in order to buy the XRP, make sure you've installed the Bitget application and you've set up your account. Now, if you do not have an account on Bitget, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1000 USDT new user rewards when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, you're on Bitget. How can you buy the XRP token? Now, your first step would be to easily deposit. You can easily deposit your cryptocurrencies onto the Bitget by clicking on Add Funds. And where we have the Deposit Crypto option, click on Deposit Crypto. And then you could easily deposit via any of the tokens like the Thon, the Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, or any other cryptocurrency tokens that are accepted on Bitget. Once you've deposited mostly USDT, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Where it says CATS USDT, click at the top and use the search icon to search for XRP. Click on the XRP USDT and select your trading type to market. And one thing you need to note is market helps us buy at the exact price of the market. It does not let you set up any trading strategies in order to buy the XRP token. All right, so once you've selected market, use the amount you wish to buy and then simply click on buy XRP. By using this option, you get to buy the XRP at the current price with the amount you've set, and you'd find the XRP in your assets. So head to the assets menu where we have the spot, simply reload, or at the overview, scroll from the overview to the spot and simply reload, and you'll find your XRP tokens here. Another option of getting the XRP is with your deposited funds, being the USDT or any cryptocurrency. Click on the convert icon. And now you can easily convert from your USDT into the XRP by using the search icon to search for XRP and then enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend and simply click on get quotes, and you'd be able to convert into the XRP token, hence buying it. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.